Freepik is a platform that offers a variety of high-quality graphic design resources for free, as well as premium content for paid subscribers. There are a few ways to earn money with Freepik. Sell your designs on Freepik. If you're a graphic designer, you can upload your designs to Freepik and sell them through their marketplace. Become a Freepik contributor. If you're a photographer or illustrator, you can become a Freepik contributor and earn money by selling your work on their platform. Refer others to Freepik. Freepik has a referral program where you can earn money by referring new users to their platform. Use Freepik's resources in your own projects. Freepik's resources are free to use in your own designs, so if you create designs using their resources, you can potentially sell them to clients or use them for other commercial purposes. Overall, Freepik is a great platform for both earning money and finding high-quality design resources. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.